Hey, Kathleen here. I am showing you today these plastic suction hooks and how I've used them. Check the weight they say they can carry before you put things on them, but I would not put anything that if it fell, it would cause a huge problem because sometimes these do unstick. I don't know why, humidity or something, but I do love them. I have two sets of these and they come in multi-packs, but this is how easy it is to apply. I'm going to do it with one hand. You just push it in and then snap it down and hang whatever it is you want to hang. And I love these here in my shower, and I'll show you why. Because when you're coming into my bathroom, you can't even see all my stuff. And I do hang other things in there. I have like 5 of these hooks normally in there that I'm going to set back up. But I did just want to show you that, and I'll take you over to another spot that I have them. So the other place I have them is here attached to my washing machine. And the reason I have them here is because my granddaughter comes in and likes to help clean. And so she just grabs a rag from here. But I wanted to show you how these don't come off very easily. And even though, I mentioned that occasionally they'll fall off, I don't know if it's because someone's brushing by them and loosening them. And even in the bathroom, like with humidity, occasionally, very occasionally they'll fall. Some have never fallen, but they're really stuck on here. It's really hard. I can't get it off that way. So you undo it, and then you've got a little bit of give, and then you have to get under this little tab to take it off. And because I have thicker fingernails, it's a little harder for me. But so you can see that they really do work. And I do love them. I just don't know if I would trust them with anything fragile.